What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at the market as a whole, crypto market, and we shall also be taking a good look at the reason why the market has actually been bearish. So, without wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into the chart right here. So you could see clearly right here that crude oil still very much bullish. You could see S&P 500 down, gold also down, and Bitcoin is also down. So you could see crude oil is going up, while these three commodities or assets are down. So this is very much to be expected, because I said it on my daily videos today. You could see clearly right here that but for the crude oil, I made it known to us this morning that we're most likely going to either find retest this level at $91-92 before probably running into this major resistance. So it can be said that the reason why there is a lot of spike right here, especially given the fact that we had this 100% dump quick crash of like 4% on crude oil, could probably be because of this news right here. You could see clearly right here that just now Trump reveals Iran's very big present, which is President Trump discloses that Iran gifted the US 10 big boats of oil. 10 big boats reminds me of the big bill, the big bill, the big tariff and all what's not. So to show they are serious about making a peace deal. Now the funny part is that, okay, this might be true and this might also be false, because Trump has been giving us fake news, though I'm aware of one of the fake news he gave us. But right now we can't really trust whatever comes out of Trump's mouth. So you could see right here, we got this dump and we also got this quick recovery, which means maybe the news was false or something. Because if you could see right here, the news is actually right now you could see news like sorry about that. You could see news like this was 37 minutes ago. Trump talks are ongoing. They are going very well, which is a lie. There's nothing about war that will be going very well. So, except we hear from both parties. So, Trump saying, I am pausing period of energy plant destruction by 10 days to Monday, which is April 6, 2026. So, we all know that Trump pausing something doesn't mean that he won't be destroying it. We should not just go by his words. So we could see right here, Apple to open up, okay. Norway Parliament passes bill to cut petrol and diesel taxes until September 1st. So, all this right here, US stocks extend fall. Nasdaq is down 2. So 2 points down. So I guess around 2%. So I guess with the look of things right here, crude oil bearish, S&P 500 still very much bearish. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into why we are here, which is crypto. I made it known to us today that we are most likely going to expect a very serious pullback today, and kind of Bitcoin is holding on very well. It's holding on very, very well, even from the monthly time frame right here. Bitcoin is still bullish on the monthly candle, is still in green. Like I said, we are most likely going to see Bitcoin holding on very well to this level right here at $65,000. In as much as we're going to be trading above $65,000 this month, we are most likely going to rally. We are most likely going to rally much higher next month, which is April, which I am very much aware of. So I think this month, in as much as we are still above $65,000, we are still very much good to go. If you look at it from the weekly time frame, yes, we can say that yes, this is a bear flag pattern forming, but I am seeing more of an invalidated bear flag pattern rather than a validated bear flag pattern. So I think we should most likely be expecting Bitcoin to stay above $65,000 all through the month and also all through next month. Once we break below $65,000, I can see that yes, we are most likely going to be bearish. For Ethereum right here, we could see that Ethereum has, been, it couldn't break above major resistance right here. You could see it couldn't break above major resistance right here. If I should move to the daily time frame, you could see clearly right here that Ethereum couldn't break above the major resistance. Sorry about that. At 2,100 and roughly $90, it got rejected from that level. It's heading its way all the way down to $2,000. Just like I said on my daily Ethereum video, that we definitely, sorry about the whole network stuff, we definitely need to see Ethereum not breaking below $2,000, because the moment Ethereum breaks below $2,000, we are most likely going to be heading towards the downside, which our next major support is 1,800 and probably $20. So I think that's just basically that for XRP. For Ethereum, moving on to the next right here, which is XRP. You could see clearly right here that XRP holding on very well. I made it known to us that this area of support is definitely where we need to see XRP 1.349 to, or 1.35 to 1.333. I was trying to get that particular level. So 1.35 to 1.33 is definitely the level we want to see XRP staying above, because the moment we break below this level, we're most likely going to be heading towards the downside. So with the look of things right here, Hedera on the other hand, looking very much good, in the sense that it has not breaking below major support right here, and neither has it retested that level. Now, speaking of one of the strongest altcoins out there, you could say that one of the strongest actually out there right now is Tau. Bittensor is holding on very, very well, can't lie. Bittensor is holding on very well. I don't know why the network is kind of acting all up this evening. So sorry about that. I would have made this video in my office. So you can see right here that Bittensor has not even hit the major support where I needed it to hit, which is $309. Yes, I'm definitely rooting for Bittensor to drop all the way down to $309. When it gets to this level, then we can decide, okay, if it's going to be breaking below that level, or it's most likely going to be finding support there before rallying towards the next major resistance at 398 or $400. I definitely know to see it going below this trend line, which is this yellow line right here. So for Hyperliquid right here, Hyperliquid is doing very well. As you can see, it has actually not broken below. Yes, it has broken below major support. Sorry about that. It has broken below major support, and apart from it breaking below major support, you could see from the 1 hour time frame right here that it is actually looking like it's retesting. Now, if it can't hold this level right here at $38.86, we are most likely going to be dropping into this level at $35.33, and we are already heading into the weekend, which anything can happen. So for now, I would say one of the strong altcoins right now are majorly Bittensor, and also another strong altcoin I can also call out Ondo, because you could see Ondo is actually holding up very well, 0.6%, when most altcoins are down 2% and even lower. So for Ondo is holding on very well, which is very good to see. And with the look of things, I still think that Ondo will most likely hold test of time, because sorry about that, because you could see clearly right here that Ondo is holding very much well around this support at 0.2579. So in as much as Ondo has not broken below this support, I would say Ondo is still very much good to reach this level at 0.2721. Maybe break above it, find support and rally much higher, because real world assets are actually one of the hottest categories right now in the crypto space. So I think with the look of things, everything is still going very well for Ondo. Ondo is still respecting this trend line based on what I can see right here. We've not broken this trend line. Now, most importantly, Solana is still looking bearish, as we can see. Right here, it's down roughly 6%. It has actually gone below 6%. I don't know why the network is kind of acting up. Whenever I come home, network is always acting all up. So right now we could see Solana has kind of gotten rejected from this major support right here, and you could see all the way from its $8 is been heading, downwards. We could most likely retest this level at 89 before probably dropping even lower. So we should definitely have that at the back of our mind. Last but not the least right here, Litecoin. Litecoin is doing it's holding on well. It's holding on well. But its major support is definitely going to be here at $53 48 cents all the way down to $53. So we should just be expecting Litecoin to find support at $53 because that is definitely where the support from the bear flag pattern is. Because the moment it breaks below the bear flag pattern support, we're most likely going to be heading really low. So I think that is all I have to say for now. So we could see Bitcoin still heading lower. Crude oil still very much volatile, but stronger than most commodities right now. So without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. The market is risky. Keep on sitting on your hands, and if you are investing for long term, keep on dollar cost averaging. This is definitely crypto in their cheapest or one of their cheapest or cheap region. Hopefully towards Q4 we should be heading into the cheapest region of the crypto space or the crypto assets as a whole, given the fact that we could most likely go much lower if this fundamental or this geopolitical tension worsens. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out once again. Bye.